Greetings and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have Realme Narzo 100 Lite smartphone, and in this video I'm going to show you some amazing tips and tricks and hidden features of this smartphone. So if you're planning to purchase this phone or you have already bought this, then this video can be really helpful for you. So watch till the end and enjoy this video. You can quickly launch your camera application from your locked screen with the help of a hidden setting. Open your camera app, click on these three lines, select settings, scroll down and then select quick launch. Enable it from here, select settings, wait for a few seconds and then select camera. Enable it from here, come back, again enable it. You can enable launch and shoot, then whenever you will open it from your locked screen, it will instantly open it and start recording. You can also select video, photo or portrait. I'm selecting video. Now how it works: if your phone is locked, simply double press your volume down button, then it will launch your camera application in the video mode and then instantly start recording. You can use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of a simple gesture. Open the first application, swipe up by using three fingers like this, and then select the second app. As you can see, you will be able to use two applications at the same time in a single screen with the help of the split screen feature. When you are on your home screen, it feels really uncomfortable to reach at the corner and open these applications, but there's a gesture for this. To enable that, tap and hold on your home screen, select home screen settings, select icon pull down gesture and then enable it from here. Now whenever you are on your home screen, you can swipe up from either side of the screen like this, then it will bring all your application around your thumb. Select the app that you want to open, then it will open the app for you. You can read deleted messages from WhatsApp, Instagram, etc. and you don't have to download any third party app for that. You can also read any removed notification from your notification bar. But firstly, you have to enable the next feature. Open your settings, select notification and quick settings, scroll down, select more settings, and then select notification history. Enable it from here. Now it will save all the notifications from all the apps which are installed in your smartphone. You can read deleted messages and you can also see any removed notification from your notification bar as well. This phone comes with this new control panel where you have to swipe from the right side to open your control panel and you have to swipe down from the left side to open your notification bar. You can also switch like this, but if you want to set the older one, then open your control panel, click on these three dots, select customize quick settings and then select classic. Now it will give your notifications and your control panel together. You can open any application as floating window just like your desktop and your laptop and then can easily multitask. Open the application, put it in recent apps, click on these three dots and then select floating window. Now you can resize it from the corner like this. You can drag and drop it anywhere. You can also minimize it. Keep on using your smartphone. And whenever you need that app again, then simply tap on the app's icon. So you can use this floating window feature to multitask in your smartphone. If you will long press the power button, then it will launch Google Gemini instead of opening your power menu. If you want to set it as your power menu, then open your settings, scroll down and then select accessibility and convenience. Again scroll down and then select power button. Select press and hold the power button and then select power menu. Now if you will long press the power button, then it will launch your power menu. You can make the clone of messenger applications and other applications and then log in with two different accounts in the same application. To do that, open your settings, select apps, select app cloner, click on agree and continue. From here you can make the clone of these apps and from other apps you can make the clone of other applications as well. Now select the app that you want to clone and then enable it from here. Wait for a few seconds and then it will make the clone. As you can see in my app drawer, I have two Netflix now and I can log in with two different accounts in the same application. When you are on your home screen, you don't have to reach at the top to open your control center and notification bar. There's a gesture for this. Tap and hold on your home screen, select home screen settings, select swipe down on home screen and then select notification and quick settings. Now whenever you are on your home screen, you can simply swipe down from the blank area, open your control center and notification bar.